Hi friends, this is the tutorial video for TUV300 Infotainment System Navigation. Let us take a look at the navigation feature of the infotainment system. Touch on navigation. This shows up the navigation screen. So here we see the GPS shows 5 points in the signal. This is the volume control. This option can be used to control volume in the guidance voice used during navigation. On the right hand side we have the zoom in and zoom out feature. So as you see, we're zooming out. This option on the left can be used to show the north and the south side. Now touching on this option in the center takes us to the current location. Let us check the routes option. We don't have any active routes at the moment. So going back to the navigation screen, touching on menu, we have take me home, my places, my routes, settings and about. Now back to the navigation screen. This option below the zoom, this setting will allow to select day mode or night mode, also 2D or 3D view. So touching on search, let me search for an address or a destination. For instance, I type Chengalpattu. We have the suggested list. So I select Chengalpattu. So touching on navigate to calculates the route distance and shows the navigation from the current location to the destination. I touch on routes again. I swipe the screen up. So we're going to save this new route. I touch on save. Here I edit the name and touch on save again. So this route has been saved. I go back to the navigation screen. Now I go to menu and touch on my routes. So here you see the route we've saved, Mahindra World City Chengalpattu. I go back to the navigation screen. I check on routes once again. I end the current route. So you see it takes us to the current location. I touch on search again. I type in a particular destination. For instance, Central Avenue. Here I am touching the nearby point of interest. So we have a suggested list. Going back to the navigation screen. Now let's see how to add a home route. I select Chengalpattu. Here I swipe the screen up. Here we have an option as set as home. So I touch the option. Now when I go back to the navigation screen, I go to menu and select take me home. So here you see the route is being calculated and shows us the home route. Selecting OK takes us to the current location. So I go back to routes. I end the current route and it takes us to the current location. So I use search again. I select Chengalpattu and as I swipe the screen up, I select the option save to my places, enter the route's name and touch on save. So the route has been saved. We go back to the navigation screen, go to menu and check my places. So here you see Chengalpattu has been added to our list of places. So here we go to menu. Let's check on settings. So here we have the voice settings. We have different voice settings that can be selected from this list. Now let's check driver assist. We have driver assist like speed alerts, traffic signs, safety camera assist, POI, etc. Now let us check the route settings. Select route settings. So here we have a list like highways, narrow roads, ferries that can be avoided on our route. Next is the distance and time. So distance is shown in kilometers or miles, and we also have a 24-hour time format. Next is the sound effects. The sound effects can be turned off or on for the guidance voice. Or else you can use reset to defaults to reset everything to a default. That's it about the navigation feature of the infotainment system. Thank you for watching this video.